So today we are going to learn how to make yogurt from home. You don't need to always buy yogurt. You can make it right in your own kitchen. All you need is milk from the farm without any water added. So this is my milk. I always have a supplier that brings me very good milk. So you get your milk and then you boil it. So mine here is already boiled. Boiling just 3 liters, but you can boil whatever quantity that you need. This is 3 liters of milk already boiled, and so you after boiling it, you have to remove the cream on top. So I'm going to remove this top cream that you see. Hopefully you see it. You can also use a sieve, yeah, but I'm just going to scoop it off, because you don't want this to be there. It causes certain slipperiness in your milk that you don't want, in your yogurt, sorry. So we are going to remove all this. The next thing you do is that you allow it to cool to around maybe 40 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a thermometer to measure that, you can just simply touch. You feel that it's not very hot. Alternatively, it's that lukewarmness that you can give to a child to take. So now I've finished to remove the cream on top of the milk. While it's still hot, I'm going to add some sugar to sweeten my milk, because I want sweetened yogurt. This you add according to your preference. So I've put 5 spoons. So my milk has cooled to the optimum temperature that I need. So all you need is yogurt of your choice from the shop or supermarket that you can add to your milk to form the yogurt. So I've gotten the strawberry flavored yogurt that I'm going to add my milk. Yeah, one thing that you need to note is that before you add your yogurt to the milk, make sure that your yogurt is at room temperature. So when you buy it from the shop or from the supermarket, make sure you put it outside such that it's at room temperature, and then you can now use it. Now we are going to stir our yogurt such that it is uniformly dissolved and mixed with the milk. Yeah, so now we are going to cover it and keep it in one place where you won't be moving it and where your children cannot tamper with it. Of course, it has to be cool enough. So we shall keep it for around 16 to 24 hours, depending on how sour you want it, because the longer you keep it, the more sour it becomes. So I'll keep it for around 16 hours because I don't want it to be sour for the children. Hello guys, I have kept my yogurt for about 22 hours. So we are now going to check and see how the taste is. Even at 16 hours you can see. So as you can see, it is thick enough for me. You can always taste and see. It's okay. So because it's for the children, I'm going to mix it already now and pack it. Then I'll put it in the fridge. So you make sure that you stir very well. It's actually not sour. But the longer you leave it out, of course, the more acidic I would say it will turn. You make sure that you stir very well. You need it uniform. We have attained the consistency that we need. It's all uniform, very smooth and thick. So the more yogurt you use, the more thickness you'll get. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.